This, I believe. I believe in inspiring others to value and pursue excellence. Continually raising the bar is the only way. I believe in having an always becoming mindset. I believe in going to bed a little bit wiser than I was when I woke up. To do that, I have to give everything I've got towards that goal. I believe in pouring my whole heart and soul into everything I do. As Steve Prefontaine said, to give anything less than your best is to sacrifice the gift. I believe in being a surplus value person. When you've been given a lot, you should give even more. I believe in leaving people, places, and things better than I found them. I believe in pushing my edges. Living on the edge of my comfort and competency zone makes me better. I believe in endurance. While I may not be brilliant, I can endure the hard things and push through. I believe in taking ownership of my thoughts, words, and actions, as well as the responsibility for the consequences. I work to hold myself to high standards and build the world I want to live in. I believe that curiosity is the ultimate way to show love, to be genuinely interested in someone. Ask them questions, listen, and then ask follow-up questions. This is the way to build deep, meaningful relationships. To build those relationships, I lead with trust. I choose to assume the best in people. I found that when I lead with trust, it seems to attract the type of people I want to be around. I believe that my who is everything. Surrounding myself with high standards, get after it, truth tellers is what life is all about. I believe in spreading positive gossip. Instead of defining myself by what I'm opposed to, I want to be known as someone who is for things. I believe in being generous in my praise for others. I write thank you notes and compliment people behind their backs. Optimism is a superpower, and it's a more enjoyable way to go through life. Valuing and pursuing excellence is the best way I know to honor the gift that is life. This, I believe.